We need to now excavate around the building. We're going to prepare a pad, and then we have to remove pockets of stone in sequence, slide the beams in through the stone, through the whole entire structure.
Think of a mesh, but mesh with very thick steel beams that run through the building in both directions and act almost like a pallet that you would put stacked goods on in a warehouse.
Threading those new elements in without destroying the fabric, and then rebuilding that after the fact, patching the holes we've had to make in order to thread these new structural elements through, is really, I mean, I'm fascinated by it.
Basically what we do, we lift up the frame, and the frame makes sure that the building stays intact.
Some of the points where it sticks out needs to actually temporarily sit on a solid surface outside the building. It was deemed that the ground and the soil around the building wasn't solid enough for this, and that concrete would be more suited to make sure that there's no movement, everything's solid.
Then we're going to take the weight off of the main structure as we remove the rest of the foundation to create a level pad surface to roll the building across on.
Everywhere that building travels, huge amounts of weights are put on the soil below it. So the road that we're building, or the path of travel, is built in such a way that the load and weight that's going to be put on the ground in those areas can withstand it, and everything stays at the exact level that it was as it was initially constructed. That's very important.
So we're going to actually excavate below it to P2 and then backfill back up to grade, install temporary piles where we'll then move the steel structure onto those piles.
The biggest thing is once you pick it up, the first time you pick it up, things can settle, right? The ground can settle, the frame can deflect or settle. That's when you first really gonna notice if it's all well thought out or not, and well engineered or not.